Usage of connectors. Result and cause. Number 1. Compiled and voiced by Nageswar Rao A. English teacher Sri Prakash. We can express relationships between ideas and improve our expressions by making longer, more complex sentences. Let us study the following sentences. Our boss was ill. We had to put off the meeting. We realize that the first sentence is the cause and second is result of the first sentence. The following connectors are used to express cause and result. As a result of, as a consequence of. We follow the following structure to join the above two sentences using above connectors. Connector plus noun or present participle. For example, as a result of boss illness, we had to put off the meeting. As a consequence of boss illness, we had to put off the meeting. As a result of raining, the cricket match was cancelled. As a consequence of raining, the cricket match was cancelled. As a result of breakage of lab equipment, Rajesh was fined. As a result of losses, the business was closed. In our next lesson, we come up with another set of connectors, result and cause.